Never blame anyone in life. The good people give you happiness. The worst people give you a lesson. And the best people give you memories.
7.5 billion people on this earth. And you let the opinion of one person stop your good energy? Come on, you are better than that.
The difference between school and life. In school, you're taught a lesson and then given a test. In life, you're given a test and that teaches you a lesson.
Hey, are you sad? Well, I don't know the reason for your sadness, but just remember this. You're strong and capable of handling it, okay? You will get through this. You will be alright.
It's me against me. Okay? I don't care who's doing better than me, because I'm doing better than I was last year. It's me against me. Okay?